This is Food Science, and for this segment, we're going to be making cake pops. I'm Anuma.
I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Elo. The step to making cake pops is making the cake. The ingredients we have for making cake are vegetable oil, cake mix, water, which we will later measure up to the right amount, and 3 eggs. The eggs are a solid, the water and the vegetable oil is a liquid, and the cake mix itself is a homogeneous mixture.
These are the things we need to make and decorate the cake pops. The frosting, the candy dip, the sprinkles, and the cake pop sticks.
Step is making the cake. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit on bake. As this is preheating, we're going to prepare the cake mix.
To prepare the cake mix, now we're going to start with the liquids. Pour 1 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now, next we're going to do the solids, crack 3 eggs. Okay, now she is creating a heterogeneous mixture.
This is our cake batter, or our homogeneous mixture. We will now start by adding it into our already greased cake pan. As you can see now, we are adding our liquid substance into our solid cake pan.
Now, I will put this cake batter into the oven, where this liquid will become a solid.
You can see here, we have put our cake mix / homogeneous mixture into the oven, where it will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit till it turns into a solid. You can see here the cake has come out of the oven as a solid and has been cut into 3 pieces.
We have crumbled our cake. We would add our 3/4 can of frosting into the cake and make it into a heterogeneous mixture.
Now we are rolling the cake and frosting into about a 1-inch size ball.
Cake balls are ready, and now we're going to let them cool off. Meanwhile, we're going to get the dipping chocolate ready.
What do you think some physical properties of these melting chips are?
Well, they're flat on one side, and they're round on the other.
And they are off-white, kind of like a cream color.
I've also noticed that they're a little bit soapy feeling in texture.
How do they taste? How do they taste?
Like chocolate. Be a little hard to see, but there is steam rising out of the boiling water. When we put the lid on, the water evaporates and gathers onto the lid, then condenses. It will drip back into the pan, into the pot because it turns into water droplets again. We have added our chocolate into our water bath, and we will record the melting point of when the chocolate starts to melt, which is about 50 degrees.
As you can see, the white chocolate is melting, and the steam is still rising up, which is the gas.
Candy dip onto our sticks and putting them into the cake ball so that they can stick.
We're putting melted chocolates.
Well, these are the cake pops after we finish sticking them back in here. So now they need to cool off.
We're going to go ahead and take a cake pop and just kind of twirl it into the chocolate lightly and make sure that the cake pop does not fall off its stick. Just like that. Now we're going to dip it into a sprinkle of your choice. I'm just going to go and like this slightly. So the sprinkles will be pretty even out. And there you go. And put it here to dry. This is how our cake pops look. And thank you for joining us on Food Science.
These are our cake pops, and we hope you enjoy them at home.
Bon appetit!
Petite.